It was fun. Rajashree tiffin box I've got a daughter. She's married. She's in the model. Yeah. And I am a grandmother. This is my granddaughter. She's 6 months old. All time name Tulsi. Husband's name Jairam. And my granddaughter's name Ahalya. They are in Pune now.
Amma, how's Amma?
Your grandmother?
She's going on right now. Normally very well. So it has to be increased on.
One more thing I would like to tell you. Myself and Ranjana, we used to sit very close by in the last bench, and both of us were very fond of reading novels. It made me chase at that time on listen board and things like that. And we had to give the book in the evening, we had to hand over the book back. So what we think we do is, she sits on one side, we keep the page like this, she reads one side and I read this side. And once it so happened that Apputti master taught us. And he told me, you come and sit in the front bench. And I was supposed to be the, you know, that I felt like that time I was very tall. So I was put in midst of Sheila and Premaja and all that. And Ranjana was put on the other side, but in the first bench. Then he told me that either the division in the chain. I didn't know how to do division, to tell you very frankly.
I don't know that even now.
No, now I'm good. So I didn't know. So he asked me, you divide. And I was looking at Ranjana because I was very sure that even she wouldn't know that. So we were thinking what we'll do. And lastly, he got hold of my this, arm like this, and he pinches from the back. I used to go, and he used to go like that. But what is there? The person who never knew mathematics, I think he was the one who really taught me how to do mathematics and taught me all the formulas and things. From that day, I think I was his best student. And so was Ranjana, because after that we both knew how to do maths.
നമ്മളെല്ലാം സിനിമ കട്ട് ചെയ്ത് പോകുന്നു പറഞ്ഞല്ലോ. അപ്പൊ രാജലക്ഷ്മി, ഞാന്, ഷീല, സുലത്ത, മോളി ഇവരൊക്കെയാണ് സിനിമക്ക് പോവാ. അപ്പൊ ലാസ്റ്റ് പീരീഡ് സാറ്റർഡേ ആണോ എന്നറിയില്ല, CCA പീരീഡും പിന്നെ മോഹൻദാസ് സാറ് പീരീഡും ഉള്ളത് സ്കൂളിലുണ്ടാവും 12th. അപ്പൊ മോഹൻദാസ് സാറോട് ചോദിക്കും, നമ്മള് പീരീഡ് സാർ ഇന്ന് തലവേദന എന്തെങ്കിലും പറയും. സാർ പറയും ആ ശരി നിങ്ങള് പോയിക്കോന്ന് പറയും. എന്നിട്ട് നമ്മള് എല്ലാവരും 5 ആൾക്കാരും കട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ക്രൗണിൽ പോകും. അപ്പൊ ക്രൗണിൽ 1 രൂപയേ ഉള്ളൂ പെണ്ണുങ്ങൾക്ക് സിനിമ ആണെങ്കിൽ. അപ്പൊ എക്സോസിസ്റ്റ് ആണ് സിനിമ. എന്നിട്ട് നമ്മള് അപ്പൊ രാജലക്ഷ്മിന്റെ അടുത്ത് ജയറാമിന്റെ പിന്നെ അവളുടെ എല്ലാം ടിഫിൻ ബോക്സ് ഉണ്ടാവും. ഒരു സഞ്ചി, ഒരു തുണി സഞ്ചിയിലാണ് ഈ ടിഫിൻ ബോക്സസ് എല്ലാം ഉണ്ടാവാം. അപ്പൊ രാജലക്ഷ്മി ഈ ടിഫിൻ ബോക്സസ് എല്ലാം കൊണ്ട് നമ്മള് സിനിമക്ക് പോയി. എന്നിട്ട് സിനിമക്ക് പോയപ്പോ പിന്നെ ഒരു സീൻ വന്ന് ഫുള്ള് സൈലന്റ്. അപ്പൊ മോളില് ഈ സ്ത്രീ പരുതാണ് എന്തോ ശബ്ദം കേട്ടിട്ട്. അപ്പൊ ഗോസ്റ്റ് വരാനായി. സമയം തിയേറ്ററിൽ. അപ്പൊ പെട്ടെന്ന് സിനിമയിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒന്നുമില്ല. അപ്പൊ പെട്ടെന്ന് രാജലക്ഷ്മിന്റെ അടുത്ത് നിന്ന് ഈ ടിഫിന്റെ സഞ്ചി ഭയങ്കര ശബ്ദം. 3-4 ടിഫിൻ ബോക്സ് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ, അത് പിന്നെ കറിന്റെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ചെറിയ അപ്പൊ മുമ്പിലിരിക്കുന്ന കുറെ ആണുങ്ങൾ തിരിഞ്ഞിരുന്ന് ഭയങ്കര ചീത്ത ക്ലാസ് കട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഓരോരുത്തരും എല്ലാരും പേടിച്ച് നെട്ടിപ്പോയി.
Who remembers this now? You remember? Great memory. ചക്രവർത്തിന് ഞാൻ കൂക്കും വിടുന്നു.
Okay, nothing much to say actually. My first memories of the class were unpleasant. So let me start with that, because from that it grew to something very pleasant. When I first joined the class, I was in 5th standard. I had just come from UP, and I didn't know Malayalam at all. And I was more Hindi speaking and Hindi and English. And I was so completely friendless because I couldn't speak the language at all. Two people came to my rescue, Nagesh and Shankar. Shankar Meepat. M. Shankar. And I'm proud to say that I've been in touch with them all through all these years. Nagesh, of course, I met him as recently as 6 months back when I visited him and his mother. His mother was my mother's sister's classmate, so goes back a long way. And Shankar, who is now in Finland, was for many years in Singapore, where I live. He was my neighbor, so we were quite close. We are quite close. So it started off with that, but then over the years, I grew so close to the class that 10th standard കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് 11th join ചെയ്തു. എന്നിട്ട് പഠിത്തത്തിൽ കുറച്ച് മിടുക്ക് കൂടുതലായതുകൊണ്ടായിരിക്കാം അഡ്മിഷൻ കിട്ടില്ല, എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് കോളേജിൽ അഡ്മിഷൻ കിട്ടില്ല എന്ന് ഏതാണ്ട് ഉറപ്പായി. സോ 11th and 12th ഏതായാലും CBSE ചെയ്യേണ്ടെന്ന് വെച്ച് കോളേജിലേക്ക് മാറി. And I remember being terrified. I still have that memory here, you know, because when you're terrified, it's out here, the gut fear that what will I do? I was joining Farooq College, and all the old memories of not knowing the language well enough came up, because Farooq College at that time at least was not really known to be English speaking, nor Hindi for that matter. So and then when I analyzed it, I realized it wasn't language, because by then I was quite proficient in Malayalam. I'm good enough. But it was the fear of going away from a bunch of, I would like to say friends, but I think family was a more appropriate word, to go from that into a bunch of strangers who, as I imagined then, were probably from another planet. That fear became, I mean, as I grew more articulate, I realized it was a fear of loneliness, and it's that fear which I've carried with me for many years, for very many years, and in fact it has had some negative effects on my life till I consciously got over it. So I'm sorry to be introducing a little bit of seriousness into all the fun and frolic that's going on, but that is my biggest memory of the class, not the negative, but how I came out of the negative and how I began seeing a bunch of strangers as family. That for me was a major step forward.
Beautiful one.